broadening the world through infinite possibilities. The power to sow a greater world and reap greater inspiration. This is GSE&C's new greater challenge. Making bold endeavors towards a newer dream and a greater tomorrow. GSE&C is building that very future. A company bringing customers' dreams to life through world-leading know-how and technologies. Leading innovation, pursuing excellence, growing together. Best partner, first company, GSE&C. With values of creative passion, GSE&C is now a globally renowned company. Since its foundation in 1969, GSE&C has repeatedly achieved innovative growth, being ranked by the prestigious construction magazine Engineering News Record as the 34th in its list of the top 225 global contractors. In 2011, the accumulated value of its overseas contracts reached $24 billion. GSE&C was listed on the Dow Jones Sustainability Index World for 3 consecutive years and recognized as the super sector leader in construction and materials in 2012. Selected by the Korea CEO Association as one of Korea's most admired companies for 4 consecutive years, GSE&C is also the recipient of 3 prestigious Global Design Awards. GSE&C is also preparing for the future by pushing forward with new businesses, including the acquisition of the Spanish company Inima, one of the top water treatment companies in the world. After setting new core values of great innovation, great challenge, and great partnership in 2010, GSE&C is making strong efforts to innovate its organization culture. GSE&C declared Vision 2020 and is now preparing to take off as a sustainable global company based on the 3 strategic directions, achieving its full potential in its original core businesses, strategically cultivating new growth businesses, and reinforcing core competencies. GSE&C has led the construction industry in South Korea in the fields of plants, power, environment, civil engineering, architecture, housing, development, and leisure businesses. In 31 countries with 36 overseas branches operating over 220 work sites, GSE&C is satisfying its customers with leading technology and systems as it heightens its global project execution capabilities. In 2012, GSE&C attained $8.7 billion in sales, $8.6 billion in new orders, $35.5 billion in backlog, and $563 million in operating profit, which are record-breaking business progresses. Becoming a global leader for our #1 customers. GSE&C Research Institute develops core technologies for new growth businesses and cost reduction, faithfully carrying out its role as leader of global technology. Plants. Technological development for new growth businesses concerning LNG liquefaction and offshore fields. Power. Development of eco-friendly technologies and participation in the National R&D project for nuclear decommissioning as an emerging growth engine. Environment. Large-scale national R&D project for renewable energy technology, focusing on reverse osmosis desalination technology and water treatment systems. Development of waste-to-energy technology such as mechanical biological treatment. Architecture and housing. R&Ds on world-class green smart construction technology and efficient energy management technology. Civil engineering. Technological development for cable-supported bridges and deep underground traffic networks. GSE&C aspires to lead the construction industry as a global technological innovator. GSE&C established a total project management system which optimizes the construction process and maximizes productivity. With greater efficiency and transparency, GS E&C strives to perfect its operation of projects and thereby maximize customer satisfaction. Zero accident, zero pollution, and zero defect. Through the 3 Z's, GS E&C is enhancing its reputation as a global leader in safety, environment, and quality. Building a new future beyond borders, we proudly introduce you to the works of GS E&C. Azer Petrochim CDU VDU, Azerbaijan. TPI Refinery, Thailand. QP Refinery Expansion, Qatar. Lafan Refinery, Qatar. SP 9 and 10, Iran. Number 3 Heavy Oil Upgrade, Korea. Manifa Gas Facilities, Saudi Arabia. Green Diesel, UAE. Black Gold Project, Canada. Lidong Aromatics, China. ATC Number 2 Aromatics, Thailand. Sohar Aromatics, Oman. Salala Methanol, Oman. Incheon Combined Cycle Power Plant Phase 2. Yerevan Combined Cycle Power Plant, Armenia. Barka 3 and Sohar 2 IPP Project, Oman. Bugak LNG Combined Cycle Power Plant Units 1, 2, and 3. Samchok Coal-Fired Power Plant Units 1 and 2. Shinwalsung Nuclear Power Plant Units 1 and 2. Shinoijin Nuclear Power Plant Units 1 and 2. Yonghong Wind Power Center. Alicante Seawater Desalination Plant, Spain. Most's Ghanem Seawater Desalination Plant, Algeria. Cap DJNet Seawater Desalination Plant, Algeria. Jeju Advanced Sewage Treatment Plant. Goyong Ilsan Advanced Sewage Treatment Plant. Gunsan Advanced Sewage Treatment Plant. Bapco Wastewater Treatment Plant, Bahrain. Mapo Municipal Solid Waste Treatment Plant. Masan Municipal Sewage Treatment Plant. Hwasong Municipal Solid Waste Treatment Plant. Gumi Municipal Solid Waste Treatment Plant. Mokpo Grand Bridge. Yongin Ara Waterway Section Number 3 Bridge. Tan Son Nhat Bin Loi Outer Ring Road, Vietnam. Nam Hae Grand Bridge Number 2. Seoul Busan High Speed Railway, KTX. Urban Transit Magnetic Revitation System for practical use. Uijeongbu Light Rail Transit. Downtown Line Number 2 C913, Singapore. Pohang Yungilman Port South Breakwater Construction. Ecological improvement in Nakdong River. Buhang Multipurpose Dam. Ruwais Refinery Expansion Project, PKG7, United Arab Emirates. GS Tower. Seoul Central Post Office. International Finance Center, Seoul. Fusionopolis, Singapore. COEX Convention Center and ASEM Tower. Ung Teng Pong Hospital, Singapore. LG Display LCD Cluster, Paju. LG Electronics R&D Complex. Garden 5 Multipurpose Complex. Times Square Multipurpose Complex. 154 kilovolt and 345 kilovolt substation at Paju LCD Complex project. Yoido Jai Residential Complex. Bampo Jai Residential Complex. Ilsan Jai Residential Complex. Cheongdam Jai Residential Complex. Haeundae Jai Residential Complex. Boutique Monaco Residential Complex. The City 7 Jai Residential Complex. GS Metro City Na Bay, Vietnam. GS Metro City Long Binh, District 9, Vietnam. Jai Tutiem Mixed Use Complex, Vietnam. Jai Riverview Palace, Vietnam. Medan City. Mecenat Paulus Mixed Use Complex. Grand Intercontinental Hotel, Seoul. Ladera Tower, Guam. Coex Intercontinental Hotel, Seoul. Laguna Hue Angsana Hotel, Vietnam. Elysian Gangchon Golf and Resort Complex. Elysian Jeju Golf and Resort Complex. Gonjiam Golf and Resort Complex. Alpincia Resort. Building a greater world. Creating a greater sensation. The power to build a new world. GSENC will go beyond Korea's #1 and become a global top-tier ENC company. Leading innovation, pursuing excellence, growing together. The global best and first. GSENC. Thank you.